Hey guys, welcome back. This is what is trigger in Manychat. So guys, first just simply go to the automation on the left side over here. And now just simply create a new automation on the top right. And now from here, just simply go from start from scratch over here. And the first thing that you have is the trigger. So guys, trigger is an event that starts your automation. So from here, just simply click on new trigger over here. And now from here, guys, just simply have a specific messenger event that will start your automation. So guys, as you can see, a trigger is when a user comment on your post, and from there it will start your automation. A trigger is when a user sent a message and it will start the automation, and the others as well. So from here, just simply go ahead and select a trigger. So let's say a user send me a message. So I'm gonna click on this, and now from here, I will have an option to detect a specific word in a message, or I will let AI do the work for me. So the most basic one is just the first one. So just simply click on this. And after that, just simply provide a keyword. So I'm going to click on this keyword. And now let's say the keyword will be price. And now you can add another keyword. Let's say I'm going to go for how. Now, if someone or a user send me a message that contains a price or how, it will automatically send a message over here, as you can see. And now from here, just simply click on create at the bottom over here. And now we will have our trigger. And now when a user send me a message that contains price and how, it will send them a message, as you can see over here. And from here, I should be able to create a text over here on what will show up. So let's say I'm gonna go for hi, I use my code over here. And now, as you can see, I can add a button and I can redirect them to another website. I can have them my number. So the most basic one that I prefer, guys, is open website, where you can redirect them to another link or website or your page, and I click on done. And guys, if you want to have a preview of your automation, you can just simply click on this one and it will look something like this. And you can change the label as well. You can just simply click on this one and change the label over here. And let's say I'm gonna go for order now. As you can see, just simply click on restart over here. And as you can see, it will look something like this when they send me a message, and you can set it live. Pretty much that's it. There you go. See ya.